Support functions. The R-Series includes a number of functions that make it easy to use and ensure that the device is always ready. Let's start by looking at the strip chart paper and the types of reports you can access and print. The strip chart recorder is located on the top of the defibrillator. You can easily change the paper by pressing on the recorder release latch to open the compartment. Remove the old paper and drop in a new pad with the folded corner on top. The printer operates with a delay of 6 seconds. The recorder is activated automatically whenever you deliver a defibrillation shock to your patient, a heart rate alarm occurs, or the rhythm analysis function is activated. You can manually activate the recorder by pressing the recorder button. Press it again to stop printing. In addition to the strip charts, the R-Series stores and prints summary information in chronological order. The R-Series memory for summary data holds up to 350 defibrillation events, recorder-activated events, or up to 4 hours of full disclosure ECG records. You can also access and print 2 types of summary reports, the print log and print chart. The print log summary report provides a chronological list of all defibrillator and code marker interventions. To generate a print log summary report, press the Report soft key and then the Print log soft key. The print chart summary report provides ECG strips for a specific time or for all activated events. To print a print chart summary report for all events, press the Report soft key and then press Print Chart. You can choose to print a partial report for a specific event. Simply press the Report soft key, then the Print Range soft key. Scroll to the event you want to print and press the Print soft key. Code markers can be used during a resuscitation event to help document additional interventions. The list of available interventions is dependent upon the mode of operation. For example, if the device is set to defib mode, the code markers include CPR and intubate. If the mode is set to pacer, the code markers include atropine. The code markers and 6 seconds of ECG are recorded along with a date and time stamp in the summary report memory. The R-Series includes a defib mentor mode. This is a non-clinical mode which you can use to learn about the controls on the front panel of the R-Series. To access the defib mentor mode, turn the mode selector to Monitor. Now, press the Option soft key, More soft key, Mentor soft key, and Confirm Mentor mode soft key. Once in the mentor mode, pressing any soft key control will provide a description of the function for that particular key. You can exit the mentor mode by changing the mode selector to either Off, Pacer, or Defib. Or the device automatically exits the mentor mode if nothing is touched for 60 seconds. Finally, the R-Series maintains a constant state of clinical readiness by offering an unprecedented level of daily automatic testing. Most importantly, testing will occur while the one-step cable is connected to electrodes or paddles, so it is not necessary to compromise clinical readiness by using a separate test block. The R-Series automatic testing verifies that the circuitry for ECG, pacing, defibrillation, and CPR feedback is functional, that the battery charge level is sufficient for at least 1 hour of continuous monitoring and 10 shocks at maximum charge, that the one-step pacing, CPR, or complete electrodes are attached to the unit, and that they have not expired, and that the gel has not dried out, that the device can deliver a 30-joule test shock, that all cables are functional, and that the printer is functional. In addition to the automatic testing of the R-Series, Zoll recommends that you perform a daily visual inspection of the device. During this inspection, check that the defibrillator is clean and free of visible damage, that the cables are in good condition and that they are not cut or frayed, and that the connector pins are not bent, that the paper tray has enough paper, that the defibrillator is plugged into an AC power, and that the green check mark appears in the code readiness indicator. If necessary, you can perform a manual test. Ensure the one-step cable is plugged into either pads, paddles, or the test port. Turn the device to defib mode. Set the energy to 30 joules. Charge and shock. The display should indicate Test OK. If this message does not show, notify Clinical Engineering. The Readiness Dashboard presents several visual indicators that quickly provide the status of the device's readiness for use. In addition to the green readiness indicator, the green AC power LED indicates when the R-Series is plugged in. This light will always be yellow when the device is not in use. The battery charge indicator uses color to indicate the battery status. Steady yellow indicates the battery is charging. Steady green indicates the battery is charged. And alternating yellow and green indicates no battery is installed or there is a battery charging fault. Batteries are automatically charged whenever the defibrillator is plugged in. A new fully charged battery will last for 3.5 hours of continuous ECG monitoring, or 60 defibrillation shocks at full energy. The R-Series is powered by short power lithium-ion batteries, which you can easily access on top of the defibrillator. The battery runtime indicator on the top of the battery displays the amount of usable time remaining. To display the status of the short power defibrillator battery, press and release the display button on the top of the battery. The LED light illuminates from left to right. The last LED to light indicates the remaining runtime. In the event you need to change a battery, simply press the release latch and pull up, then snap the new battery into place. If your institution has configured the automatic test to off, Zoll recommends that you manually test your defibrillator once a week. As you can see, the device is simple to operate, smart in helping you quickly and properly treat the patient, and ready at all times for a code. Simple, smart, and ready. That's a code-ready defibrillator.